Yo guys, what's going on here? This is Hyper Shadow 92 here, and today I'm going to do a little how-to video that's going to show you how to replace a PSP game's UMD case. And for this, we're going to be replacing my copy of Sonic Rivals 2. We're going to be replacing this UMD case, and for opening it up and getting the disc out. And as for the UMD case part, let's close this up and move it here. Let's see. But the case here, I mean, yeah, they're okay, but when they come out, they're kind of like cheap plastic. Cause the more you play them, the more kind of this happens. Most times they're not supposed to do that, but we're going to be fixing that problem with this. This replacement case here for the disc, cheapest you can get. You know, I got this one of eBay for like $3, and it's really just the same, but it's clear and it's made of more durable plastic. Just gonna and we're gonna go ahead and pop the holds out and go ahead and replace this case here. Go ahead and open it up before we can start getting in there and replacing. But one thing to do, these cases are a little difficult once you know, if you're still new at it. And me, I've only replaced like 2 of these. And let's pull back for a second. Let me see if I can get this open. Because I've only replaced like 2 of these cases, and I've never had a problem with it. It's just sometimes they'll be a little new and they'll still be kind of holding on a little tight, which this one is doing just that. I should have this thing open shortly. There we go. Alright, we're in business. Alright, let's go ahead and lay this in here on the side. And this here as well. Okay, first things first, when you do this, you need to make sure you're very careful by doing this, because these PSP games here, they're really sensitive, and if at least kind of scratch on them like that, well, I've heard the least like scratches on them will make the discs where they won't play anymore. But that's just what I heard, so I really don't know if this is true or not. But I really don't exactly want to risk it to find out. So let's go ahead and get this disc out as carefully as we can. There we go. You see the disc is very thin. They're very sensitive too. What we're going to do is we're going to get this. We're going to barely place it inside here. And then once we're done with this, we're going to get this other piece here. We're going to place this on top. And make sure everything is lined up just right. Whoa, go back in there. All right, here we go. Make sure they're lined up just right. And then once it's in there right, you start mashing it down to make sure that the case will hold in place. But you know, I just apply barely a little bit of pressure, because these is you know. But then once you do that, you now got a replacement case. But now let's go back and look to this old one, but for the second here. But these old ones right here, see, I don't exactly know why they would do that, because I'm barely putting in just a little bit of force. I'm not even mashing a whole lot, and it's already breaking in two like that. See, it's basically this thing right here is nothing but like very cheap plastic. You just barely move it, and then you get this. That's just this. It's really not worth keeping on PSP games, but this is just me. So some others out there might want to keep keeping them in these things here, but just to me, I just ditch these right here and go after you one of these babies right here, where you can replace the disc, and plus you can make, and these right here is made more durable plastic. These is more hard plastic than what these are, and not to mention it makes you can actually have the games last longer, play them longer, and all that. But other than that, let's go ahead and get this video up to a close, because this is my first how-to on replacing a PSP UMD case for the disc for a PSP game. And this is the first, and I should have more videos coming. And I hope also, while I'm thinking about it, hope everyone also had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and hope you guys have a great holiday for the next one coming up, which is Christmas. And since we're coming up to a close now, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. As always, this is Hyper Shadow 92, and I'm signing out. Peace.